is Shamren Ibali. I am student of College Foundation. I will demonstrate proper gloving. First, we need to perform hand washing, and next is prepare materials needed. Select the appropriate size gloves and prepare adequate work area at the waist height and open the wrap properly and lay the gloves on the flat surface and open the inner wrap, touching only the outside of the secure flap in the open position. Place the gloves with the cuff ends toward the body, and grabs first gloves with the cuff ends toward the body. Turn to side and the steer film and pull on gloves. With an appropriate size gloves then. Next, left second gloves by slipping a gloved finger under the cuff. Turn to side of the steer film and pull on gloves. And now, you nalagay na, and then parehas na meron, and ayusin na yung gloves. Only touching the outside of the gloves. And after use, remove the gloves, turning them to inside and out without touching the outside surface. And use the gloves into the wrap and roll the gloves into the wrap and dispose properly. And for my technique, I sasabayin ko na. Dispose. And next is do again the hand washing.